Hi, my name is Jeff Smith, Service Manager with Gates Honda, and I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions in our service department. What do the numbers and letters mean on my dash when service is due? Symbol A and symbol B is replace the engine oil and filter. Symbol 1 is tire rotation. Symbol 2 is engine and cabin air filter. Symbol 3, replace transmission fluid. Symbol 4 is valve adjustment and spark plug change, and also timing belt in certain models. Symbol 5 is replace engine coolant. Symbol 6 is replace rear differential fluid. Symbol 7 is replace brake fluid.